harsh nights and coughs so rough. Your soothing hands were tender and tough. Rest, my child, you'd softly speak in your care. I was never weak. Every check-up, every shot, you fought for me, gave all you got. Guardian of my dreams, with every breath you breathe, you've given me the health, the strength to believe. Under your watchful eyes, I've come to thrive. With you, I feel alive. Now as I chase what I'm meant to be, your lessons of health are a part of me. I'll walk this path strong and free.